Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a compatible headset like Quest 2 or Rift S for YouTube. Ensure your headset supports 90Hz for smoother video playback and comfort. Connect the headset to a stable Wi-Fi network with at least 5 Mbps per stream for 4K. Sign in to your Google account inside the headset to access subscriptions and watch history. Install the official YouTube VR app from the headset store before launching it for the first time. Open the YouTube VR app and use the home view to browse recommended content. Point your controller and use the trigger to select a video or open the search field. Type with the virtual keyboard or use voice search for faster results. During playback, open the menu to change quality, captions, or switch to 3D 180 or 360 formats. Use the controller to rewind, fast forward, and toggle spatial audio or 360 degrees view lock options for comfort. If you notice stutter, lower playback quality to 720p to reduce buffering and improve smoothness. For longer sessions, cast YouTube VR to a compatible TV to save headset battery and get easier controls. Adjust headset fit and IPD for visual clarity and reduce motion sickness during 360 degrees playback. If audio desync, lag, or crashes occur, restart the app and reboot the headset before reinstalling. Finally, check app updates and Oculus or Steam VR updates to keep performance optimal and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.